Good afternoon. My name is Juan Pablo Perez Rodriguez. This is the course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Unit 2, Identify Technology Value. This is the conceptual map on the selected difficulty. In this case is little knowledge of valuation methods by technology managers in charge of the process. Some causes are lack of specialized personnel, lack of information and little practice in the use of valuation tools, little knowledge of the market and these characteristics, the sees, supply, demand, price, lack the legal information and for and cost of production, lack of training of the personnel in charge. Some consequences are loss of capital and future earning, ignorance of the market and its characteristics, difficulty in understanding technology, why managers will evaluate the application of inappropriate methods. Some recommendations are carry out technologic and competitive surveillance that facilitates obtaining technical information that allows identifying the market disease characteristics. Train managers in technology assessment methods and deepen the analysis of business dynamics and the sector application of these technologies in such a way they more successful negotiation and transfer strategies and definite. Thank you.